Hello everyone, you're welcome to this practical session. Daniel Olumba speaking here. Alright, so in this video tutorial, I'll be showing us how I created this A4 flyer mockup using the Photopea.com site. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so you open your Chrome and then you just Photopea. Right, so I log into the site Photopea. Now this is Photopea. I believe by now we know Photopea would work better and faster in your phone when your phone's RAM, that's the random access memory, is up to at least 4 GB. Yes, and make sure you have a good data connection also. Alright, so let's get at it. You tap open from computer and then your files. Okay, I want to locate the PSD file now. Here I think it's flying flyer, so let me just come here and search it. Okay, so you see that's it there. That's the PSD file. So you can see loading. So let's give it some time to load. Alright, so now once you open it, this is what you would get. This is what you would see. Alright, so now come here at the right side of the Photopea. You tap on that 3 layer and then you see this box. You tap there because the file is actually hidden, so we just tap there to review the PSD file. So let's just give it some time. Okay, just tap there once. You see, right? See that icon is shown now, so the PSD file has appeared. It is no longer hidden. It was hidden before. See that icon, it was hidden, so I tapped on it and now we can see it. I hope we got that part. Alright, so this arrow that's like the greater than, just tap there. You get now to open the mockups, right? So this first one, place flyer 1, you tap on it, right? Once you tap on it, then you come to layer, then smart object, and then open edit contents. So what you just do, you delete all these, delete. See the delete button down here. This is the delete button down here. So you delete. Just remain this last one. Yeah, and then you hide by tapping at that eye icon. You know there's an eye icon here. Tap on it, so it's hidden now. Right, so now then go to your file, open and place. Now we want to locate the first flyer. Okay, let's come to Pixart. So this was where, okay, let me use this here. So it's loading. Give it some time to load. Alright, so this is it. So now I want to adjust to make it suit in. So just adjust slightly and carefully. So then you come here to drag to make it fit in. Right, so you see that's filled. It has been filled now in all the space. So you just come to file and save smart objects. Just give it some time. Let's give it a few time to save. It's been uploaded now. Yeah. Let's give it some time. So you just have to be patient with it. It is processing the mockup. Okay, smart object updated. So just tap here to see. Right, you can see, right, it has been updated. That's the first flyer. So to work on the second one, we have to tap, still tap back here, that free, yes, the mockup. You don't from here and begin to work. No, you won't see anything here. You go back to this place and then you tap this tree layer there. Then you come to place flyer 2, right? This one process, go back to layer, smart object, open edit content, right? So the same thing we did for the first one. You delete all this, tap on there, just tap any part of the, and just delete. Now remaining this last one, right? So now just hide it, tapping on the eye icon, hide it, and then come to file, open and place files. Okay, so I want to put in the second one now, this, right? So you see it is loading. Okay, so the same thing we did for the first, you drag, adjust. Now we want to make it fitting, make sure it's fitted, it's well arranged. Okay, so just take your time and make sure you get it right. So then come to file and then save smart object. So same way we waited for the first, we'll have to wait for this also, right? So let's give it some time. It is being processed. Alright, smart object updated, so we're good to go now. So you just tap back to see it, you tap back to the free to fly get. So you tap back, you tap here, back. So now see the flyer, you can see it has been mocked up and we are all good. So now to download, we come to file, export as. I always export as PNG because that's the best quality you could get. Yeah, it's better than JPEG. So PNG, just give it time. Okay, so let's just rename this from free to flying mockup. Let's just give it Sunday brunch flyer mockup. Alright, so having done that, tap on save, and then this is it. It has been downloaded, right? So you can still go further to crop. I always prefer cropping. First two cropping, so it could just come out well. Use the square, right? So we adjust it. Save. Right, so okay, so this is it. Thanks for watching, thanks for staying through. Right, so do well to create yours too. Thanks.